Welcome everybody to the first edition of Caveman Kitchen. Introducing John.
First of all, you have to cook with dirty hands.
Oh yeah. What we having this morning, John?
We're having sardine omelets.
Sardine omelets.
With bacon. Probably in a tortilla shell burrito. Breakfast burrito.
So you actually put the sardines in the eggs?
I do.
Oh, wow. Can we take a look at the bacon?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the bacon. Whoa. Get that camera shot in there. Get that camera shot. Some good old bacon,
That's right. Let me get my cup over here for mixing up my egg.
Now, John, I'm sure everybody out there wants to know.
What?
Is sardines in an omelet traditional?
No.
Huh. Is that why it's Caveman Kitchen?
More than likely.
All right. Well, y'all, we're going to just let the camera roll and see what we get. Check out the sardine omelet.
Now, this might be a little while, so we might have to fast forward some of this.
But it's okay.
Or we'll just let it run so y'all can get up our view time. If you can smell this, it'd be a lot better. One of these days, we're going to have smell-o-vision.
Well, the bacon smells good.
Well, I'm so glad it does. Well, while that bacon's cooking, let's go ahead and get us a couple eggs in here. We'll go ahead and...
Yes, sir. How many eggs usually go in your omelet, John?
3.
3 eggs?
Three
You're doing
eggs.
a 3. You're doing a 3-banger.
That's right. 3 eggs.
3 bangers.
And we'll open up these sardines. So that thing there.
Can you please show everybody the sardines?
I will.
We want a close-up of the sardines, John.
Well, you're going to have to move the camera for that.
No, just kind of, just show it to us. We really want to
Well,
see.
it's got the juice, but let me get some of that juice out of there.
Oh my Lord. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is raw fish we're talking.
It's not raw. It's out of a can. It's been cooked.
Okay.
So you got your sardines in
Jesus.
here? Is that good? Is that pungent?
We'll show the camera.
Yeah,
What the heck that is. Get it a little bit closer so they think you're for real.
Look.
Oh yeah, that's a real sardine. Fix it.
That's right. We're going to put all of these in here. You don't want to get no juice in there because that'll...
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we don't recommend this to everybody. Only if you're a caveman. If you're a caveman, go for it.
Okay, we're going to chop all that up real good. There you go. Someone else looking at it? Can you see it? Okay. Let me check that. We're doing Caveman Kitchen video over here. Yes, we are. We're rolling.
Okay.
Caveman Kitchen.
This is unsanctioned by most women, so you don't. We're cooking in her kitchen right now, but we will have a real Caveman Kitchen, the only we cook in, one of these days.
Are you going to call that a caveman kitchen or a primal kitchen?
It'll be the Caveman Kitchen.
Ooh, you can really smell those sardines, John.
Can you smell the bacon mixed in with it?
Ooh-wee. All the cats in the hood are going to just start strolling up.
That's right. We're going to go ahead and dispose of that.
Oh,
It doesn't do no good to rinse the can out because...
when you handle fish, poultry, or chicken, wash your hands.
Right. There we go.
Yeah, we'll be shut down by YouTube by the end of the video. Woo.
Now keep in mind, I am making this just for me, so nobody else is getting any of this.
Hey, you think Mama's got a stamp?
A stamp?
Yeah, we won't talk about that right now.
Oh no, we'll have to edit that out. We're not even talking about food now. You're talking about stamps.
I don't know where that came from.
I don't either.
Damn coffee got me going.
Okay.
Well, man, how's the bacon coming?
The bacon? Well, it's right over here. It's like don't think it's coming yet though. But it's cooking.
Slowly but surely.
That's right.
Well, man, we really want to see what these eggs and sardines do.
Well, they're ready to cook. They're right there. I'm ahead of the game.
You're ahead of the game.
Yeah.
Mommy, have you ever had a sardine in your omelet? What?
Hey, Lola. You want to kiss my lick? Go ahead.
If you put her in the video, go viral.
She helped me clean my hands a little better.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a sink right there, though.
I know. But you know what?
It's a man cave.
If I was in the cave, I wouldn't have no water.
Smells like the bacon's
So
done.
the bacon, we're going to turn that fire down just a little bit. And we're ready to put the omelet mixture in there. Here we go. Do you want to get a close-up of this in here, man?
Yeah, let's let the viewers get in here on this action.
Oh, that's looking pretty good.
That is what you call sardines and eggs.
Or an omelet.
And here's the bacon.
Uh-huh. While I'm letting that cook, I'll put some of this stuff away, since we don't need it out here no more. You know, you're going to be hungry when I start eating this.
Oh no, not with the sardines I want.
Okay. They're in the pantry.
Well, why didn't you use those? Especially for your bacon.
I should have. You know what? Why didn't you recommend that before we
I
started?
mean, why'd you
the
have to
video?
use the fancy dishes?
Because they were there. One thing about caveman cooking is you got to use what's around you.
Well, you should have known where that cast iron was at, though. You finna set it on fire.
I'm going to set a fire, that's right.
You got a fire extinguisher?
I don't have a fire extinguisher. Are you going to watch this flip?
Hold on. Yep, we definitely got to see
Always
that
flip over the sink, especially when you got a lot of bacon grease. Okay. Okay, here we go. That's a pretty good flip. It's all flipped over there. Now we're going to wipe the bottom of this pan so when we put it back over the fire, don't catch on fire. There we go. Time to put some cheese in there.
Hey man, you know what a good YouTube thumbnail would be for this video?
What's that?
Caveman Cooking.
There you go.
Episode 1.
Episode 1. I know what's good. Gonna be good for this man.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's getting something else.
We're gonna call this hot sauce. Notice how we're not gonna show the brand because they ain't paying us.
Not paying us. Not yet. But after they see this omelet, they may change their mind.
Yeah, you just send us your hot sauce. We'll try it out. If we like it, we'll promote it. You
Caveman style.
Give us a little money.
Caveman style. Caveman style.
That's
Hey
right.
John,
What?
give the audience caveman one time. Do something caveman-y. There you go. That'll work.
Okay, so now
Smell them sardines are cooking.
Can you smell them?
Mm-hmm. All the cats in the neighborhood can too.
That's right.
They hooping and hollering. Ooh, that is right. You hear me? Oh, now that's what you call
Now
a
look at
damn
that.
omelet right
Look at
there,
that,
boy.
man. Doesn't that look delicious?
Let me get in there on that.
Man.
How you gonna make that out of burrito though? We want to see that.
That's right. Well, that's pretty easy to do. Right now, it's an omelet.
Let's see
It
this.
can be edible the way it is, or if you're feeling like throwing it on a burrito.
Yo, we do. We want it on a burrito. We want to see this go on a burrito with the bacon.
That's right. We got 3 slices of bacon. Look at that. That's caveman pretty right there. All presentable to feed your family if you want to. But nobody other than me likes to eat sardine omelets. So we get ourselves a wrap. And where did my fork go? Oh, there it is.
Thanks, Mom.
So I think this burrito would be good with a slice of bacon in it.
Oh my God, them sardines.
This is Caveman Kitchen.
A nice slab of that omelet on top of there.
Ooh, can you fit it all in there, John?
No, why not have 2 burritos?
Oh, why not? Hell yeah. Let's see it. All right, we want to know how it tastes.
Okay, probably should have cooked that shell there. Let's see.
Oh, it's dripping too. And the verdict is, wait, let him finish chewing.
I think that's going to keep me alive until the next meal.
I had to get that caveman fly.
Mama came in, gave the caveman fly, caveman 2-step.
She just killed one of my cleaner uppers. You know, them flies will clean up your mess if you leave it there.
So is it good?
Mm-hmm. It is good.
And what would you score this?
I would score this as a straight 10.
A 10, not even a 10 point. It's a 10.0. That's your
Yeah,
score.
man. Look at it's dripping a little bit. Look at that.
Well, we see it dripping for sure. All right. Well, all right, y'all. Well, this has been the first edition of Caveman Kitchen. Your cook, John. And we have a sardine omelet with bacon and cheese on a burrito.
Let me know if you want to come over and have one.
Till next time. See you later.
Please like and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more of this content. We are new and primitive, and we like it that way. Hope you do as well.